Welcome back, students. After a long time, I came with a new topic called in double measure. In double measure is nothing but if you read a question, you will get an answer. That answer is came because of our general knowledge, but that answer will not be the exact answer. The concept is different. If you recheck that question, definitely you will get the right answer. So those type of questions in competitive exam, mainly GRE. Okay, so GRE questions I'm going to take frequently. We're going to give some videos, so it will be helpful for the students who are all preparing for GRE exams. Okay, so first, so today we're going to discuss three questions. Okay, so first time we will see and we will get some answer, but that is not the right answer. So second check, recheck, we will get the right answer. So I'm going to explain everything clearly. So the first question: Roselba income exceeds twice Jane's income and both pay the same percentage of income in transportation fee. This is the statement, command they had given. Quantity A is the amount Jane pays in transportation fee and quantity B is half the amount Roselba pays in the transportation fee. So first we need to check the answer and after that I will tell what is the exact answer. Okay, Roselba income exceeds twice Jane's income. Okay, so let me see Jane's income. Let Jane and Roselva, right? If Jane got 100 rupees salary, means Roselva will get twice, so 200, isn't it? Both pay the same percentage of income in transportation fee. Let me think that if 10 percentage of Jane's salary and same 10 percentage of Rosalba's salary is the transportation fee. So Jane's salary is 100, 10 percentage is 10. Rosalba's salary is 200, 10 percentage is 20. Okay, now quantity A says that the amount Jane pays in transportation fee, that is 10 rupees or $10. Okay, and half the amount Roselva pay in the transportation fee. So $20 is the exactly given. So half the amount means that is also $10. Okay, so we thought that the answer is equal. Quantity A and quantity B are equal, but one word change the answers. Okay, what is that one word is exceeds. Okay, so I had seen most of the students done a mistake in this question. That is, Roselva income exceeds twice. That means not only twice, it is more than twice. More than twice means automatically it will be more than $10. So quantity B is the greatest one. So this is the first question. And second question, in items price is discounted by 16%. Subsequently, the discounted price is increased by 16%. So here we need to find the answer. The original price. Let us take the item price is 100 rupees. Okay, the price is discounted by 16%. If you discount 16% means it will be 84 rupees, right? So $84. Okay, subsequently the discounted price is increased by 16. So if the discounted price is increased by 16 means first we need to do that 100 percentage is equal to $16 and sorry $84, and here increasing amount is 16 percentage, that is 116 percentage is what. Okay, so 116 into 84 divided by 100. So most of the time we confused ourselves that the prices are equal, 16 percentage discount and 16 percentage is increase, so it will be same. No. Okay, right, the original price is greater or the price after the discount and increase is greater. So definitely the original price will be the greater. Quantity A is the right answer. Okay, so don't confuse yourself. See, if just take 10 percentage, if it is 100, 10 percentage is increased means 110. If 10 percentage is discounted from 110 means 11 rupees going to discount and you will get only 99. Okay, so don't think that if same amount is increases and decreases it will be same. Okay, it will be different. And third question, 250 percentage of x is increased by 250 percentage to become 350. What is the value of x? So very confusing one. First we need to write how to write the equation for this question. Okay, the best way of writing equation of this question is 250 percentage of x is increased by 250 percentage to become 250, 350, right? So 250 percentage of x. Okay, so first we take 250 percentage of x. If it is increased by 250 means, let us, I will assume that this is 100 percentage. From this 100 percentage, we going to increase 250 percentage. Okay, sorry, increased by 250 percentage here. So this is the first statement, and then 250 percentage going to increase. Increase 250 means plus 250. Okay, so that is nothing but 350. 350 percentage of 250 percentage of x is equal to 350. I hope now you will get answer for this. So automatically, if you solve this, 350 divided by 100 into 250 divided by 100 into x is equal to 350. Okay, you will get 40 as the answer. Just solve it and give your answers in the comment box. So this is the way we need to find answer for this type of question. These are a little bit confusing question. It will eat too much of time in your examination, so please concentrate on this, right? And guys, if you want to learn more in aptitude, means you can attend my free classes from 5:30 to 6:30 daily in Unacademy. Okay, if you download the app of Unacademy and just view my profile daily 5:30 to 6:30, a free class. Okay, you can attend daily. Thank you, all the very best, guys. Take care. Bye bye.